Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Addilla.
And I'm Gita.
Now we will present our presentation about SQ3R, that is SQ3R method in reading 4.1, that is an overview of academic articles. In this presentation, we will explain the meaning of SQ3R, the steps of SQ3R, and how this method can help students understand academic articles more effectively. So the first one is there is an introduction. Here, reading academic articles is very important for students because academic texts contain information, explanation, and research findings used in education. However, many students think academic articles are difficult because the language is formal and the structure is complex. Therefore, students need a reading strategy to help them understand the text more effectively and easily. And one effective strategy that is SQ3R. So, what is SQ3R? SQ3R is a reading strategy that helps students understand text better. Yes, SQ3R reading is a reading strategy that helps students become active readers. SQ3R stands for survey, question, reading, read, recite, and review. And this method guides students step by step during the reading process. By using SQ3R, students can focus better and understand the text more clearly and remember important information more easily. And then next is overview of reading 4.1. Reading 4.1 discusses about academic articles and strategies for reading them effectively. The text explains the structure of academic articles such as introduction, literature review, method, result, and conclusion. It also explains how students should approach academic reading. The main subheadings are identifying the part of an academic article and reading academic article. Next is survey step. On this step, the first step is survey. So in this step, students look at the title first and then heading and structure before reading the text in detail. So in reading 4.1, students can survey the text by looking at the title and subheadings. This step helps students get a general understanding of the topic and prepares them for a deeper reading.
The next is question step. So in this question step is students create question based on the title and headings. For example, what are the parts of an academic reading? Or why is article structure important and how should students read academic articles? Next is read step. The third step is read. Here students read the text carefully to find answers to their questions. In reading 4.1, students learn about the different parts of academic articles, including introduction, literature review, method, result, and then conclusion. The students also learn strategies for reading academic texts effectively. Next is recite step. After reading, students explain the main ideas using their own words. For example, students may Say that academic article have clear students and each section has a different function. This step helps students improve memory and understanding because they actively restate the information. This step helps students remember information better. Next is review step. In this step, students reread uh, important parts of the text, review notes, highlight key points, and then summarize the information. Reviewing helps students change their understanding and remember important ideas for a longer time. And this year's review helps students change their understanding. And for the benefits of SQ3R, the SQ3R method has many benefits. It improves reading comprehension, increases focus, helps students remember information, and makes reading more organized. This method is very useful for students because it supports academic learning and helps them understand difficult texts more effectively. Next, the conclusion. In the conclusion, reading 4.1, so how SQ3R can be applied to academic reading. Even though the text does not directly mention SQ3R, the steps can clearly be connected to the reading process. By using SQ3R, students can become more active readers and understand academic articles in a more effective, systematic way.
The last is discussion questions. For the discussion session, we have three questions. That is, why is SQ3R useful for academic reading? And then, which SQ3R step is the most important for you? And then the last question is, how can SQ3R improve students' reading comprehension? So, these questions can help us reflect on the importance of SQ3R in academic reading. So I think that's all from us. We hope you understand what we said and what we explanation before. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.